Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the audio output in foobar2000 on your Windows PC or laptop. If you want to switch between your speakers, headphones, USB DAC, or another audio device, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open foobar2000 on your computer. Once the program opens, click *** file in the top left corner and then select **preferences**. In the Preferences window, expand the **playback** section and click *output**. On the right side, you'll see the *device** option. Click the drop-down menu to view all available audio output devices connected to your computer. Select the device you want to use, such as your speakers, headphones, USB audio device, Bluetooth headphones, or the default Windows output device. After selecting your preferred device, click *apply**, then click *OK** to save the changes. Now play a song to make sure the audio is coming through the selected output device. If you don't see your device in the list, make sure it's properly connected to your computer and recognized by Windows. You can also check your Windows sound settings to confirm that the device is enabled and working correctly. If you're using a USB DAC or ASIO or WASAPI output, make sure the required drivers and components are installed before selecting those output modes in foobar2000. Once everything is configured correctly, foobar2000 will send audio through your selected output device. And that's how you change the audio output in foobar2000 on your Windows PC or laptop. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.